I talk about preventive maintenance all the time because it's effective in heading off more serious and costly maintenance issues caused by mechanical breakdowns, malfunctions, or failure of a component or system. Scheduled maintenance is important too. Today we're going to do some simple scheduled maintenance on the RV generator. Most of the RV generator's maintenance checks and services are based on hours of operation. The generator has an hour meter so you can keep track of the generator's operation. Locate the maintenance schedule in the generator owner's manual for scheduled maintenance intervals. You need to monitor the hour meter on your generator set so you know when it's time to perform maintenance. Your generator is powered by an internal combustion engine. When it comes to maintenance, internal combustion engines need two things to operate properly and help prolong engine life. It needs fresh air and clean engine oil. Our RV generator is due for an oil change, and after that we'll inspect the air filter. Generator maintenance. The first step is to start and run the generator for a couple of minutes. This warms the oil up, making it easier to drain the crankcase. Just keep in mind the engine, oil filter, and oil itself will be warm, so be careful. Shut the engine off. Place a drain pan under the oil drain plug or drain tube and drain the old engine oil. Reinstall the drain plug or close the oil drain valve. Now we can remove the oil filter. Note, not all generators use oil filters, and depending on the type and model of generator you have, the location of the oil filter can vary. Consult the generator owner's manual for more information. Place a drain pan under the oil filter. Using the proper size oil filter wrench, remove the oil filter. Use a clean rag to wipe off the area where the filter installs on the engine. Apply a thin layer of clean oil around the rubber gasket on the new oil filter and reinstall the filter. Snug the filter to get a good seal, but do not over-tighten. Using a funnel, add the recommended type and amount of new oil to the crankcase. Consult your generator owner's manual for the type, viscosity, and capacity. Start and run the generator for about 30 seconds. Shut it off, wait a few seconds for the oil to drain back into the crankcase, and check the oil level. Adjust the oil level as required. Check for any oil leaks around the oil filter and oil drain plug or tube. Internal combustion engines are basically big air pumps. The engine needs clean air to operate properly. It's easy to inspect or replace the air filter on your generator. Let's check it right now. Remove the air filter housing cover and inspect the air filter for cleanliness, dirt, and debris. Sometimes it's possible to clean an air filter, but for the cost of a new filter, it's easier to replace it, and your engine will thank you for it. Record the hours, the type of oil, oil filter, and air filter replacement in the maintenance section of the generator owner's manual. It took less than 30 minutes to service the RV generator. If you follow the preventive maintenance and scheduled maintenance service intervals recommended by the generator manufacturer, your RV generator will always be there for you when you need it. To learn more about using and maintaining your RV, visit RVOnlineTraining.com. Happy camping.